Buy with confidence. Adir lecterns and podiums are made using durable eco-friendly MDF wood, fully finished on all exposed surfaces, adding a classy touch to any space with long life expectancy. Multi-purpose use. Our well-made speaker stand can also be used as pulpits for churches, presentation podium, book holder, reading stand, lectern desk, Bible stand and more. Thanks to its professional look, it will fit nicely in church, classroom, home, school and more. Foldable and portable. Adir standing desk is easy to assemble. Actually, it's so easy to assemble. No hassle, no tools, no time wasting. Open the box, open the folded base, install the top part and voila, color availability. Our podium wood stand are available in your choice of beautiful black, white, and beige to suit various setups and places. Enjoy. Warning. This black podium stand can expose you to chemicals including lead and di, 2-ethyl hexyl, phthalate.